In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know if your Facebook ads are working. With businesses increasingly turning to Facebook to reach their target audience, it's essential to understand how to gauge the effectiveness of your advertising campaigns on this platform. You've likely invested time and budget into your Facebook ads, and now it's time to analyze their performance. First off, let's dive into the Facebook campaign section. Accessing this segment will give you an overarching view of all your advertising endeavors on Facebook. Here, every campaign you've ever launched is listed, making it the perfect starting point for our analysis. To get there, simply navigate to the Campaigns tab in your Facebook Ads Manager. This dashboard is your command center for all things related to Facebook advertising. Once you're in the campaign section, your next step is to focus on the delivery column. Clicking on delivery provides invaluable insights into the status of your ad campaigns. This column categorizes your ads based on their delivery status, which is a fundamental indicator of whether your ads are actively being shown to your target audience or not. Understanding this status is crucial as it directly impacts your campaign's ability to reach potential customers. Next, pay special attention to the active status. If your ad is marked as active, it's currently being served to users within your defined audience parameters. This is a good sign, indicating that your ad has passed Facebook's initial review process and aligns with their advertising policies. An active status implies your campaign is up and running, competing for attention in users' feeds. Now, let's shift gears a bit and head over to the Facebook Business Manager. This tool is more comprehensive and designed for managing ad accounts, pages, and the people who work on them, providing advanced features and insights. To access it, go directly to the Facebook Business Manager webpage and log in with your Facebook credentials. This step is straightforward, but essential for accessing more detailed analytics and tools provided by Facebook for advertisers. Once you've logged in, navigate to the lower left panel and click on Ads. This action will redirect you to your ad account within the Business Manager, offering a more granular view of your ad performance. Here you can delve deep into specific campaigns, ad sets, and ads, examining metrics that matter most to your business. Following that, click on Ads Manager to unveil a treasure trove of analytical data and performance metrics about your ads. Facebook Ads Manager is a powerful tool that offers a plethora of detailed reports and analytics. It allows you to track the performance of your ads over time, measure engagement, and analyze the return on investment (ROI) of your campaigns. Each metric and data point available here can help you make informed decisions about adjusting your ad strategies for maximum impact. As a tip to remember, if you're ever in a hurry or just need to make a quick check, you can always go directly to Facebook Ads Manager by typing adsmanager.facebook.com into your browser. This direct approach saves time and gets you straight into the heart of your analytics, allowing for quick decision making and adjustments to your campaigns. In summary, understanding whether your Facebook ads are working involves starting at the campaign section, scrutinizing the delivery and active status, delving into the Business Manager, navigating your way to ads in the lower left panel, and finally employing Ads Manager to analyze detailed performance metrics. Each of these steps builds upon the previous one, giving you a comprehensive view of your ads performance across various stages and tools provided by Facebook. Remember, the key to successful Facebook advertising lies in continuous monitoring, analysis, and adjustment based on the insights you gather. By following the steps we've discussed today, you'll be equipped with the knowledge needed to make informed decisions that drive the success of your campaigns. And that wraps up our tutorial for today. I hope this has provided you with a clearer understanding of how to know if your Facebook ads are working. Stay tuned for more helpful guides and tips to enhance your digital marketing efforts. Happy advertising!